Okay. All right, so this is another example that I like because it does fuse two shapes together. Okay, so notice you see a rectangle and a triangle together. All right. Okay, so notice that this triangle is kind of empty here. You only have X. Okay, you only have X here. All right. And again, you want to identify the right angle. So notice your right angle is right here. This X that we're trying to find is our hypotenuse because I go straight across the right angle. This is my C, my hypotenuse. Now the thing is, I don't know what this side is. I'll call it B, and I don't know what this side is. I'll call it A. Okay, whoops, let's make this a little neater here. This is B, and this is A. Hopefully it's a big improvement from the other one. Okay, but I do notice these tick marks right here. So what those tick marks are telling me is that these two sides are congruent. But since the bottom one is a rectangle, this and this one here are also congruent. So that means my A is 16 centimeters. Okay, 16 centimeters. I'll put that right here. That's my A. Now my B, I know that these two sides are congruent because of properties of a rectangle. So my B is 63 centimeters. Whoops, let's put that a little neater there. 6 centimeters. And all I have to do now is just use the formula. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So I'll have here, my A is 16 squared, okay, plus 63 squared is equal to X squared, okay. And just like before, you would notice here that your X, the X here, is left all alone. So all I have to do is simplify. So I do the exponents first, and then I go ahead and add. Okay, I go ahead and add. All right. So what I'm going to do is go to decimals.com. Okay. I hit enter here, and I plug in 16 squared. And notice I get 256. So I put in 256 plus, and then I put 63 squared. So I hit enter here, and I put 63 squared, and I got 3,969. So I go ahead and go back and put 3,969 is equal to X squared. Oop, that doesn't look good. So put X squared. Okay. Now I go ahead and add these two together. So I hit enter here. 256 plus 3,969. I get 4,222. So I go ahead and write that down. 4,200. I forgot the rest. Oh, not 20, 25. 25, my bad. So 4,225. I misspoke there. Equals X squared. And just like before, you want to do the square by taking the square root on both sides. Okay? And then you take this apart here. So I'll have X is equal to, so I go ahead and go back to decimals, return, I hit the square root button, 4,225, and I get 65. So I get here positive or negative 65. Whoops, let's make that 6 a little neater. 65. Okay, and again, because of the context, notice again, they're measuring distance. I'm only going to accept the positive answer, so I get 65 centimeters.